This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add this home button on your Motorola phone. So this is easy to do. Swipe down from the top right and let's go on over to where it says settings. Now at the top we can just type in gestures, Gestures, and search. And there's going to be a couple different areas it could be, but on the Motorola phone I have, it's called Gestures and Haptics, Home and Lock Screen. So it's typically under on-screen gestures. Then we're looking for navigation mode. So you could just type or search for navigation mode. And we want to turn on 3-button navigation. And this will add the back button and the home button to your screen. So if I just go to this, you can see I just have a little line. If I go to this, it's a home button, back button, and the switcher button. So look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.